So Romeo, what are we gonna do, man? We're just gonna chill with these people or what?
Dude, I don't know, man. Are you happy with the response they're giving you right now?
You know what? It's my fucking birthday. Turn that music off for 2 seconds, man. Turn that fucking music off right now. You know how to turn that music off? Okay. It's my birthday and I'm partying in Burlington. I said, it's my birthday and I'm partying in Burlington. I said, it's my birthday and I'm partying in Burlington. I said, it's my Okay, Burlington, how you guys feeling tonight? Where are my single ladies at, man? Fellas, make some noise. That's how a Karol Wolf show goes, man. It's all girls, hardly any guys. Romeo, play the fucking track. Let's go. Let's do this, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. B, you ready? Ivan, you ready? You sure? Okay. Ready, set, hey, 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 hey. Hands up, everybody, hands up, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Let's try it. You ready? Let's go. It's gonna take a lot to for my good friends, the Funky Bunch. They're here tonight.
Yeah, I thought it was a wolf pack.
Yo, everybody make some noise for the Wolf Pack as well, please. But tonight, the Wolf Pack is all this. Who here in Burlington has ever been to a place called Dubai? I don't believe you. You've been to Dubai? You really been to Dubai? You went to Dubai? Come up on stage. Come up here, man. Come on. What's your name, first of all?
Haytham.
Haytham. Everybody make some noise for Haytham. He says he's been to Dubai. I want to see proof, or else you're not worthy, my friend. I'm sorry. But Haytham, thank you for being so brave to come out here. Okay. Oh shit, you've been to Dubai. No kidding. Shit, okay. Hold on, he's really been to Dubai. Okay, so Haytham, you're gonna help me out then, okay? In Dubai, when you go there, you gotta know two very, very important words when you go there, right? What are the two words? Do you know?
Assalamu alaikum.
يلا حبيبي
Yalla habibi.
So everybody from the center to the left, repeat after me. Say yalla, yalla. Good enough. Everybody from the center to the right, say habibi, habibi. This song is called